study of the structure and behavior of physical and natural world through observation, experimentation, and the testing of hypotheses. It seeks to understand the underlying principles that govern the universe. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge to create tools, processes, or systems that solve problems or fulfill needs. It involves the design, development, and implementation of practical solutions.
Science and technology plays an important role in national development for several reasons. First, it drives innovation, leading to the development of new products, services, and industries. Additionally, it enhances the quality of life, addressing challenges such as poverty, hunger, disease, and environmental degradation.
Science and technology are interconnected and mutually reinforcing. Scientific discovery often leads to technological advancements, while technological innovations can enable new scientific breakthroughs.
The Philippines has witnessed a significant evolution in its science and technology policies and programs, reflecting the country's changing priorities and challenges. Here's an overview of the key milestones.
Indigenous Filipino possess advanced knowledge in agriculture, including the rice terraces, shipbuilding, weaving, and medicine. They develop unique technologies like the bangka and palayok.
Spanish introduced Western science and technology, including medicine, engineering, and architecture, established universities and hospitals, but knowledge was primarily confined to the elite. American influence brought modern education and scientific advancement. The Bureau of Science was established, laying the foundation for scientific research.
Focus on infrastructure development, including the construction of dams and power plants. During post-Marcos era, it emphasized on agriculture, health, and education. During Fifth Republic, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo is known for her Philippinovation strategy, which aimed to boost the country's competitiveness through innovation.
Joseph Estrada focused on strengthening the agricultural sector through science and technology. Ninoy Aquino Jr. prioritized research and development, funding through the Department of Science and Technology to enhance the country's scientific capabilities.
While significant progress has been made, the Philippines still faces challenges in terms of funding, research capacity, and technology transfer. However, with continued government support and investment, the country has the potential to become a major player in the science and technology landscape.
Science and Technology Agenda under Marcos Jr. administration. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. highlighted the role of science and technology in the country's capability to develop, urging Filipinos to develop a culture innovation.
Tatlong uri ng scholarship ang inaalok ng Department of Science and Technology para sa undergraduate students. Ang Merit Scholarship Program para sa mga estudyanteng mataas ang marka sa Science at Math. Ang RA 7687 Scholarship Program para sa mahihirap pero magagaling na estudyante. At ang RA 10612 Scholarship Program na tinutulungan ang mga graduate ng Science, Math at Engineering na agad makapagturo sa mga high school ng bansa. Ayon sa direktor ng DOST Science Education Institute, ang kanilang scholarship ay higit pa sa libreng tuition at stipend.
Unang-una, mas madali kayong ma-hire pag nasa curriculum vitae nyo ay sabi dyan DOST scholar ka. Number 2, pag mag-apply ka ng graduate studies, kahit katatapos mo lang mag-graduate ng college or university, pag gusto mo mag-MS ka agad, pag nakita naming application mo na undergraduate scholar ka, sigurado mabigyan ka ng MS scholar.
The DOST has been providing science and technology services through various advanced laboratories to industry partners. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. renewed his call to the Department of Science and Technology to provide scholarships to Filipino students to develop a bigger pool of scientists, researchers, and innovators in the country. Speaking during the 2022 National Science and Technology Week.
Ang galing talaga ng Pinoy. Basta't maganda ang suporta sa ating mga scientists, sa ating mga researchers, sa ating mga teacher. World-class talaga ang Pilipino. Kaya we should not allow this opportunity to pass us by. That's why as I greet you, I am excited to know that the future is bright for the Filipinos. Maliwanag na maliwanag dito sa panahong ito as we come out of the post-pandemic and face the new economy. It is a new economy. It is not the same world that we left in the late last quarter of 2019.
Mary J. Aras po, sir.
Provide your perspective on the Philippine Science and Technology agenda, highlighting its key objectives and strategies.
About Philippine Science and Technology agenda, ang objective nito is to improve the science and technology in Philippines, and specifically in education, wherein the different agencies in the Philippines are helping the DepEd and the DepEd, the DOST, and so in improving the science and technology. And so, in my own perspective, I can feel somehow yung support ng government, especially in terms of mga laboratory materials na pinaprovide ng DepEd dito sa school namin, and some trainings, like for example, yung training na sa matatag curriculum wherein binabago nila yung pinapadali or pinapasimplify yung mga lessons, mga learning competencies para mas maraming matutunan or mas madali nating mag-grasp yung science curriculum. So in fact, sa matatag curriculum, yung mga complex topics ay ibinaba sa mga grade level para mas madaling maintindihan ng mga students. Meanwhile, mas inayos nila yung curriculum sa matatag curriculum. Kaya gusto ko yung changes na ginawa nila. Also, in terms of mga discoveries, recent discoveries, mga technological innovations, ang DepEd is meron ng mga school na nagpro-provide ng like for example robotics seminar, and inculcated na din sa curriculum nila yung robotics para ang mga students, diba, ang robotics is bago lang sa DepEd, unlike sa ibang country na fully grasp na nila kung paano gamitin yung mga technology natin about sa robotics. Pero dito sa DepEd, unti-unti kahit paano, nag-a-adapt na rin tayo kasi i-inculcate na din sa curriculum natin yung robotics. One of the programs that really helps a lot in terms of having different milestones is the Philippine Science High School na sponsored by DOST. Meron tayo niyan dito sa Goa. So, they are really capable. Nagpumunta kami doon last month. Nagpumunta doon ng 1L para tumingin ng mga exhibit nila. So, by the way, I'm a DOST scholar when I was in college. So, very good yung DOST kasi they tend to subsidize the education of students, diba, that are performing. Siyempre, may grades mo students talaga na nagpo-pursue ng science.
Science and technology is everywhere. Everything we have now is the product of science and technology.
In the Philippines government Science and Technology Agenda, my team and I focus particularly on the DOST. On our interview, we found out that DOST scholarship really help Filipino citizens, not just students but also the parents, as it helps them financially reducing their expenses for their children.